If you want to be a successful YouTuber in 2021, JC will show you the finer points on how to be one in this video. This video is part of our How to Monetize YouTube videos series. All videos presented on this channel are selected from JC Make Money Online collection. Don't miss JC free webinar where you'll learn his 3 top secret strategies. This method will make you the most money possible and earn you big commission with other people's products. Just sign up with the link in the description.
So as of the time of shooting the video right now, my channel has roughly 200,000 subscribers. I get about 1 million views per month on YouTube. From YouTube itself, I make about $15,000. From, other stuff related to YouTube, I make about 50 times that. What you may not know is, even though I gained most of my subscribers in the past year, I actually started YouTube in 2009. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you my story of becoming a YouTuber the last 10 years and what it's really like to become a YouTuber in today's day and age. So 200,000 some subscribers, 1 million views a month, right? $15,000, right? It seems pretty cool, but being a YouTuber is, there's a lot of stuff before the success, right? And I wouldn't necessarily consider that successful. YouTube is not my main business. As many of you probably know, my main business is affiliate marketing. Now, I actually started this channel back in 2009. YouTube as my business model was actually the first business I started, like very first. I started it within a week of reading the 4-Hour Work Week. And I started the business, it didn't go anywhere. I posted like 15 videos on YouTube. Nobody watched them. I didn't make any money. It was totally ridiculous. I had no idea what I was doing. Nobody had any idea what they were doing on YouTube back then. And I quit. I left YouTube. I stopped trying to do that. But I felt the urge. Why did I start a channel? I felt the urge to share my joy of global backpacking with people. I love backpacking the world. That's been my passion. Travel, seeing the world, meeting new cultures, engaging, interacting, learning languages. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum salam, shukran, shukran, or whatever, Nihongo neshimasu ka? O genki desu ka? Tenki ii desu ne? Ha ha ha. I spoke a little Japanese and a little Arabic, but the point being, I love other cultures, love learning from the base level, not staying at the Hilton or the Ritz-Carlton. I like learning it from a street level, and I still backpack to this day. Well, I haven't lately since I had kids, but even though I have money, I like doing low budget backpacking. I wanted to expose the world to that, but I wasn't able to make it happen, right? Back 10 years ago. So I gave up. But fast forward a little bit, and it was around 2013, 2014 that I started noticing I'd been posting videos on my YouTube channel for my internal media buyers. I had some media buyers that worked for my affiliate marketing business and my social media marketing business. I was running an agency and doing affiliate marketing for a number of years there. And I would train my employees by just simply showing them how I did marketing. I just record my screen and just, upload the video. I won't even say anything. I just say, hey, and I upload the video to YouTube, and I just tell my employees, I'd say, you're hired. Okay, what you're gonna do for the next week is just watch videos of me doing marketing and try to figure out what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. And that's what you do. And I trained a lot of people these ways. My employees became massively successful just by watching my really long, 3-hour long, boring videos that had very little audio where I'm just doing marketing. And some of those videos, by whatever accident, they were public. I didn't do the setting right. And I noticed that I'd actually gotten about 10,000 subscribers, which was kind of gnarly. And like 2015, I was like, what? How do I? Because I just never checked my actual YouTube profile or whatever, but I had like 5 or 10,000 people that were following me in some of my videos, which were me training my media buyers about how to do Google Ads. They had kind of gotten some level of exposure, and I was kind of surprised at that. And I thought to myself, that's funny. Now, fast forward to 2017, January or 2017, I revisited YouTube and I said, okay, this platform, obviously there's some resonance there, right? And I've always I like video from Los Angeles. ridiculous. Can you blame me? And I figured it would be a good place to try ads. I got an ad coupon for $100 in free advertising spend on YouTube. Free money, why not try it? So I tried advertising on YouTube and the results were incredible. Nobody was advertising on YouTube because there was no step-by-step guide for people to do so, right? Everybody wants to follow the step-by-step guide, but once you become skilled and once you become very confident in your skills and you can go beyond the step-by-step guides, there's even more virgin, unconquered territory out there. And in marketing, right? So I started doing that, and there's a great deal of money in being able to advertise on YouTube. And I started doing it, and I've spent millions of dollars since 2017 advertising on YouTube. It's been very beneficial for my business. So that kicked off a whole other era. So I've been advertising on YouTube ever since 2017. But what happened because of that advertising is I gained a lot of subscribers. And this is back in 2017. You could get subscribers just by advertising. You can't do that anymore on YouTube. And I got subscribers, I got about 50,000 subscribers in 2017. And I said, I said, I might have a real audience here. And it was kind of interesting. So what I started doing was I started posting motivational vlogs. And I posted about maybe 150. So I posted for about 4 or 5 months every day, or almost every day. And these motivational vlogs, and they never went anywhere. Nobody watched them. Seriously, like they probably only had like 1,000 views each. There may be a playlist around somewhere where you can find them, but people generally weren't interested in these kind of motivational vlogs, which is kind of like higher level mindset thinking into becoming successful. And those went nowhere, but I continued advertising on YouTube. So I mean, we're like, what is it? Like 9 years ahead, and like my YouTube channel still is not making me any money, not monetizing. I've been working at it a little bit, posted a couple hundred videos. And fast forward to 2019, I said, I'm actually gonna take this seriously. Because I said, I'm gonna try to do this the right way. And I hired some consultants, and I hired a producer that would actually outline, he'd tell me what topics I should do videos on, schedule them out, do the SEO, do the thumbnail, do the posting, do the editing, do everything, right? And I worked with him for a year on how to do YouTube right. And I've built my audience since then from about 50,000 to about 200,000. And YouTube generates, it generates me some income, right? It's nothing to scoff at. And also it's generated me a lot of opportunities too. It's allowed me the chance to connect with you. It's allowed me the chance to connect with lots of other people, and allowed me the chance to gain more exposure for my affiliate program and really become, I guess, the leading voice in affiliate marketing today, which is really exciting and a really cool place and a position to be that makes me very sought after for like sponsorship opportunities with all these big companies that would generally never speak to me. So that's been my journey on YouTube, and moving forward, I'm very excited to be working with you on this platform and grow my channel. And I'm a big supporter of YouTube and Google products in general. And for anybody else out there that is interested in being a YouTuber, my advice is just keep posting. That was Casey Neistat's advice. Just keep posting and keep uploading. Figure out, if you're not getting those views, figure out why. Figure out a strategy. I have a lot of strategies here. You can see a video I did called 6 Tips for Beginners, How to Start on YouTube. And that video goes over literally my entire strategy, soup to nuts, how I figured things out, how I optimize, how I look at my previous month's videos and figure out what the algorithm wants for the next month. I'm working for a robot overlord, right? So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment if you have a question for me. If you're a YouTuber yourself, definitely type in YouTuber in the chat below. And YouTubers sub to each other, support each other, help each other out. I don't want to see any sub to sub comments. I'll delete those and remove you from my channel permanently. But if you just type in YouTuber, guys all sub each other. Great talking to you. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.